Everyone, it's Monday the 10th, the day after my birthday, and I'm going to start a little project with my boat. I'm going to just get it covered because it is winter time. It's nasty cold out here, and we're expecting more snow, and that snow melts and turns to ice, and then I got a real mess on my boat. So. Okay, so first off, I'm going to take these 12 by foot long 2x4s and run them from the ground up, and then I'm going to make this saddle on the top of each one of these so that I can start this video over. I found this board right here, and what I thought I'd do is we'll take the board and we'll cut it in half somewhere in there, and then I'm going to cut down in something like that on each piece, so I'll have one for the back of the boat, one for the front of the boat, and the mast will set in that cradle that I cut out, and then when I cut this off, it'll go right here like that, and that should be well stout enough and provide the support I need for the mast on top. So I'm going to try that anyways, and let's see what happens. Saw board. See, I got that one. Nice. Got that in there. One over here. All right. So there it is. One side, the other side. I just have to cut it down the middle. Pretty close for not measuring anything. Up in place, and not any too soon either, because it's starting to spit snow. I got that up in place, and then I put one over here on the stern of the boat, and I'm going to get up there now and wire it off. You can see it there. So that's what I'm doing. So in a few minutes I'll have this thing covered. It shouldn't take too long. I finished up. I got the boat covered, and it's looking pretty good. Protected for the winter anyways.